my battery on my 4K camera, that was over us. My battery on my 4K camera crapped out. Forgot to charge it. So, I got some, which I will post later. Wow. Oh my God, that was close. Dadgummit.
Yeah, I'm sure there's going to be a few more house fires tonight. That's what's
Yeah, Josh, and these, whoa! It was right beside us, I know. These are all positive CGs, it looks like. A lot of lightning.
Carl says 4K.
Yeah, we have 4K camera now.
It's pretty nice, Carl.
So if you have a 4K TV, you can actually watch it in 4K. Y'all are fine as long as you stay in the truck. You think?
He's got a 4K TV.
Oh yeah? I know, Dee, right? We saw the joy of fireworks earlier today. Dadgum. And earlier this evening, and now we got this. Okay, wind's changing direction. You hush, Tammy. Make me.
Carl said lightning destroyed his other TV, Carmel, for being a chaser.
I'm just sad we only got that one chase together. Oh, that was right there. It was literally right there. Dadgum.
Well, that was like last year I was almost struck. I struck right across the street from mom. And then you almost got
saggy bra. I was sitting in my truck when it struck the light pole across the street. I was like, oh my God. That was loud.